In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok in 2021. So you don't need 1K followers for this method. So I'm going to show you some more information because this is an updated video for 2021. This is currently in January. So you want to hit the three dots when you're in your account. And as you can see, here are all these settings. And you want to go down till you see support. As you can see, this is report a problem. You want to hit that. You want to report the problem. And this will bring you over to the next steps from the report problem tab. There we go. And here are all the frequently asked questions. So you want to go down till you see live payment rewards. So that's this option, one of the last one, live/payment/rewards. So you want to hit the arrow, and this will bring you over to this, the feedback and help. So you want to hit hosting live, the first one, hosting live, because you want to host a live one. And now say I can start a live. And here it says you have to be 16 years or older, and you also have to be 6 years older on your account. So that's a requirement. But now you want to say, is your problem resolved? Hit no, because now you can say still have a problem and send them a message. So you basically can type hi, I was live last week, but now I'm unable to. My fans would love to see me. Please fix this, just like this. And then you want to say thanks, and you can also add a picture if you want, but that's not necessary. Then you can hit report, and there you go, the message has been sent. So now you have to wait till you get feedback, and then they can help you out, and you can get live without 1,000 followers. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.